Hello students, in this video we will discuss about application of derivative, which is the sixth chapter of maths class 12th NCERT. Our chapter is application of derivatives. Application of derivative, which is the sixth chapter of the class 12th maths NCERT. Now, in the previous chapter or in class 11th, we have learned what is the derivative, and already we have learned that find the derivative of many type of function as like polynomial function, trigonometric function, logarithmic function, exponential function, etc. Now in this chapter we will learn only what is the application of the derivative, that means what is the usage of derivative. Now our topics related to this chapter are: first is rate of change of quantity. This is the first topic. Second topic is approximation. Third topic is maxima and minima. Fourth topic is increasing and decreasing. And intervals also. Since one topic left on the second number, I write here tangent and normals. Tangents and normals of curve and slope of tangent and slope of normals. Slope of tangent and slope of normals. And equation of tangents and normals. Equation of tangent and normal. These three topics lie on the second position, that means after rate of change of quantities. These topics related to this chapter, applications of derivative. Now we take first topic, rate of change of quantity. First topic is rate of change of quantity. What is rate of change of quantities? Mathematical definition is: if x and y are any two quantities and change in y, and if change in y with respect to change in x, with respect to change in x, is known as rate of change of quantity, is known as rate of change of quantity. Repeat this statement. If x and y are any two quantities, and if change in quantity with respect to change in x, then it is known as rate of change of quantity. If we denote rate of change in x and change in y, if change in y is denoted by, and it denoted by dy upon dx, where dy means rate change in y and dx is the change in x. Change in y depend upon the change in x. This is known as rate of change of quantity, and it also equal to f dash of x if y represented by f of x. dy upon dx equal to f dash x. Rate of change of quantity is also represented at x equal to x0. Therefore, dy upon dx is represents dy upon dx at x equal to x0. This is known as rate of change of quantity. Now, in this sequence, here there are two variable quantity. If we take three variables, if we take two variables, suppose first take two variables x and y, and that both quantity change in both quantity and change in both quantity with respect to third variable t, then change in x, change in y with respect to x will be denoted by then dy upon dx, that means change in x with respect to x, change in y with respect to x is denoted by dy upon dt divided by dx upon dt, or we can write this dy upon dt into dt upon dx. That means if there are two variable quantity, change into variable quantity with respect to another third variable quantity, then rate of change of first two variable quantity is denoted by dy upon dx equal to dy upon dt into dt upon dx. Now in the next video we will take example related to rate of change of quantity.